Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can customize gestures of your Xiaomi Buds 3T Pro. So first you have to be connected with the Xiaomi earbuds application. You can find a tutorial on our YouTube channel, and when you are right here you have to just go for the gestures, and here we can adjust for the left and the right earbud for the double press, triple press, and then press and hold. So for example, in this video I'm going to show you how we can do this for the double press. Click on it, and as you can see, for the double press we are able to switch between volume up or next song. For the double press on the right one, we can also select the same, so let's stay with the next song. On the triple press on the left, we can get the volume down or the previous song. And press and hold, we are able to adjust the noise cancellation and the transparency mode. So honestly, there is not a lot of options right here, but we can finally switch the right earbud, press and hold for the voice assistant. And yeah, that's how we can customize the gestures of your Xiaomi Buds 3T Pro. Thank you for watching. I hope you find it helpful.